Hi everyone, welcome to Tuya Lighting. This is Mandy. Last video, I show you the function of Tuya, and in this video, I will teach you how to connect the Tuya Bluetooth system. First of all, you need to have 3 preparation in your phone or iPad. Firstly, you need to download a Tuya app and then open the Bluetooth and open the location. Then we need to buy some custom lights which is matched with Tuya. When we receive this light, here we have 2 situations. The first situation is that when you put the lights into the check reel, the lights will be flashing, and this time you can connect the Tuya with the lights directly. But if it is another situation, that is when you install the lights into the check reel and the lights is not flashing, this time you need to put in and take out the lights from the check reel for 5 times until the light is flashing, like this. Then open the Tuya app. Will automatically recognize the pop-up ad device. Then we add. When he shows a tick, it proves that the addition is successfully. And now you can control the brightness and color temperatures. Now, do you know how to operate the Tuya smart system now? If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. See you next time.